Oh, let's get it on. Let's get it on. To the break of dawn. You know who it is and you know what it is. This is J-Rocc. And J-Rocc is about to react to New York Giants against them Dallas Cowboys. Last night, they went at it. And they had a special visitor to join them. Let's check this out.
If you smell
What J-Rocc
is cooking.
Finally, J-Rocc has come back to YouTube. What is happening with the millions and millions of J-Rocc's fans from all over the world? You're here with J-Rocc in the Smackdown Hotel on the corner of Know Your Road Boulevard and Jabroni Drive. And we're about to check out highlights from last night's big game. There was a big game. And there was a big spotting or sighting on the field. Somebody left the gate open. And the Dallas Cowboy mascot got on the field last night. Let's check out and see what happened, shall we? Dak Prescott. Rain Dakota Prescott. You know he was born in the wooded area.
Gets his first taste of Monday Night Football right here. First start against the Cowboys. That is moments away. Well, those are the
Daniel Jones.
The superstars.
I ain't calling him Danny. The other nickname they call him. He ain't earned it yet. There goes Zeke. That's a bad dude right there. Saquon. Saquon in them is what I call the Giants. Saquon in them. Hit.
Intercepted to start the game. Antonio Buffet.
He's going another way.
Prescott goes it directly.
He just threw it right to him. He just stood there like, where you going? You coming with me, baby?
He's up to the top of your screen against Jones. Here's third and goal.
Third and goal right there. Ah, come on, Dusty. Well, I ain't gonna call him that nickname yet.
Was coming in on
You're a rookie, but still.
And we open up with dueling field goals.
Field goal. What we got right here? Ooh.
Just slammed to the ground. That was D-Law DeMarcus Lawrence.
Or as Skip Bayless calling D-Monster.
We talked about him stepping up. That's just pure force. That was a stunt. Not a pass rush move, and Mike Remmers has to.
2nd and 2. Howard probing the outside and still earning his way to success.
That boy can run, man. Don't be shocked if he's on somebody else's roster next year. Because Tony Pollard can move.
With 3 made for 60 plus. And this drifts left to 4 for the Giants, but yet 3-3. Daniel Jones on the option, and that is the athleticism.
There you go.
That clock running down on 3rd and 14.
Let's go.
Jones.
Boy, Ingram caught that one. He looking like Odell Ingram out there.
It's a good job for Daniel Jones just giving his guy Golden Tate a chance to go for make a play. This is a 50-50 ball.
Was that Golden Tate? My bad. I thought that was Ingram. My bad. Looking like Odell Tate out there. Or Golden Beckham Jr.
It's a really good play design. Daniel Jones sees it.
It's a nice throw right there, though.
That's easy picking there, but it was all made because Latimer did a nice job of setting the route. They sold the underneath slant, and Latimer picked him and rolled to the corner. He was wide open.
Missing field goals left and right, ain't he? Ball is out. Fumble.
Until half.
Let's go.
Just quick connecting underneath and then turning the corner with that speed is Evan Ingram. And
there it is. The black cat running around that. I was thinking of that damn Stephen A. Smith First Take song. It's a black cat running around that franchise.
Now, how do you get a cat?
Man, these big stadiums, you'd be surprised what kind of animals live in there.
As Riley Dixon was able to get it down.
Cowboys looking bad, wasn't it?
Able to get away from the pressure, direct traffic, and in stride to the block. Jarwin, and Jarwin
Takes it all the way, baby. All the way in there.
42-yard touchdown as Prescott extended, and Jarwin.
I mean, it was that throw could have been a lot better, but Jarwin caught it. So
With time and downfield.
give me that. Give me that. You threw it in the double coverage, man. Where's he going?
Xavier Woods now on the return, staying in and bringing it out just beyond the 40.
No, man. No. He wasn't going fast enough.
The issue. He came into this weekend with 13 total turnovers. Close out the first half in style for Dallas. 52-yarder. Third down and 6. And he's going to try to run for it. Ball comes out.
Dang, got it. Daniel Jones be coughing up that ball.
Jump on it. That was Thompson coming up from that.
You got to learn ball security when you run,
to get
son.
the recovery.
You got the ball like this. Anybody can just thump it out.
Look at the hold for Ezekiel Elliott as he's inside the 20. And off the turnover, now here come the Cowboys. 19-yard run for Elliott. 16-12 Cowboys now. So after the 11-yard reception on 3rd and 10.
Oh, there you go again. That damn quarterback draw.
Get a first down, and then
At least I think that's what it is.
sidelines 14 yards later.
Why are they fighting over there?
Not the first time we have seen this through the years in this heated rivalry. Remember, he missed the extra point hitting the upright, and thus the margin we have of the Cowboys up 1 after the made field goal there.
Woo! Nice. Now that was a nice move right there. I like that. That's a nice move right there. That's a nice move right there.
And then the effort by Gallup there. You know, the command that Dak has taken over this offense.
When he's at his best.
Oh, there go that boy. He gone. That young man gone right there. That boy can move. That boy can move, man. He should have went back inside, though.
Just when they needed it most, a chance to get right back into this.
That damn Saquon Barkley can move. Look at Zeke, like, damn, that boy good. That boy's fast.
And again, settling for their 4th field goal on red zone possession.
Somebody was saying, who would you rather have, Saquon or Ezekiel? I'm like, give me Saquon. But that boy can go. Put him with a decent quarterback, he'd be even better. Cooper. Amari Cooper. Another one. Good throw right there by that. Boom, hit him right in his number. That's what it's supposed to be every time. I take that. Yeah, it was a good game. That cat showing up. As soon as I saw that cat, I immediately tweeted Stephen A. Smith. It's a black cat running around that franchise. I tweeted him. I was like, yeah, there go that damn cat he was talking about. He said earlier on First Take, I'm the one that let the cat out there. I let the cat out the bag. But anyway, yeah, this was a good game. The Giants, damn, man, Daniel Jones, that dude he'll get better. He's just a rookie. Because I remember Peyton Manning, when his rookie year, he turned the ball over a lot too, and I think he turned out just fine. But yeah, he's going to have to learn how not to turn the ball over. But overall, this was a good game, good Monday night game. That cat running on the field added a little extra spectacle to the game. They didn't know what to do. But you'd be surprised what kind of animals live in these stadiums, big as that place is. So don't be shocked when you see a cat or a dog just show up on a football field, because they live there. I'm just glad it wasn't a dog with a bunch of puppies. But anyway, post comments down below. Let J-Rocc know what you thought of this. If you appreciate and enjoyed J-Rocc's reaction, if you like these NFL reactions, make sure you post comments letting J-Rocc know, and I'll do more of these for you. And also go to my Facebook fan page. The link for it is down below. Post your video request there if you appreciated it, and you post a video there. J-Rocc will give you a shout out if he selects your video on the People's channel. All right. Subscribe to the People's channel. J-Rocc's trying to get to 1 million subscribers, and he needs your help. Can't do it without you. Also, make sure you hit that bell so that you can be notified that it is time to be electrified. Until next time, thank you for joining J-Rocc. If you smell what J-Rocc is